Hello my dear students, I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject science, class 8th standard. Dear students, in this class we are going to learn this activity 4.6. First one, warning, keep the mouth of the test tube away from your face. Use the test tube holder and hold the test tube. Take a samples of metal and non-metal listed in a table 4.5 in a separate test tubes and label them A, B, C, D, E and F. See, magnesium ribbon, aluminum, iron, copper, flexible wire, charcoal, sulfur. Actually this is not available, so I am explaining theoretically. With the help of a dropper, have you seen a dropper? In a chemist lab it will be. So by this we can take a solution in a test tube. Add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid to each test tube one by one. We have to place in each test tube these metals or non-metals and we have to add carbohydrate solution. Yes, observe the reaction carefully. If no reaction occurs in a cold solution, warm the test tube gently. If there is no reaction, we have to heat it, warm it little. If no reaction occurs, bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of each test tube. Repeat the same activity using dilute sulfuric acid instead of a dilute hydrochloric acid and record your observations. So here we have to record our observations. Let's see the reactions of these with the sulfuric hydrochloric acid and the sulfuric acid. Here one more instructions they have given. Repeat the same activity using dilute sulfuric acid instead of dilute hydrochloric acid. Record your observations. So here what happens? Magnesium ribbon, it is actually reacts in a room temperature. Here if we warm also it is reacts with HCl and it is also reacts with sulfuric acid. The reaction is magnesium plus HCl. So it gives salt, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas which evolve out. With sulfuric acid then it's a react. So it gives magnesium sulfate, hydrogen evolve out. And same aluminum also reacts with hydrochloric acid and iron also reacts with hydrochloric acid. Copper actually it will not react with hydrochloric acid, it will react with sulfuric acid. And charcoal and sulfur, these are non-metals, these are reacts with HCl when we warm, but these do not evolve or it is not released hydrogen gases. So this is the reaction of HCl with metals and non-metals with sulfuric acid. Is there any difference in the metals and non-metals react with acid? What happened? The pop sound. What is the pop sound? See, when the magnesium ribbon, it is in a ribbon, if we burn, we will get one sound, pop, pop, pop sound. So, pop sound in same cases due to when burning of matchstick is brought near the mouth of the test tube. So, you must have found the non-metals generally do not react with acid, but metals reacts with acid and produces hydrogen gas. As I told, it produces hydrogen gas. So you must have noticed that with pop sound they will produce. So you must have noticed that copper does not react with a dilute hydrochloric acid even on heating also. So it reacts with sulfuric acid. Your homework, I have written the reaction of magnesium with HCl and hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. You have to write the reaction with others. So you write like this equation. Okay, thank you. This is homework for